So obviously 2020 was some kind of a year, we were dealing with a pandemic and pretty much everything that was thrown at us. So I want to know, what was some things that you can say that you learned about yourself, and like, did you pick up any new hobbies or found out new things that you like to do?
Well, the only hobby that I picked up was work harder because the pandemic was like, it shut down a lot of things. So I did a lot of do it yourself projects. A lot of things that I didn't think that I could do, I started doing it myself because you have more time on your hand. So putting different things together, a lot of DIY projects, being out there in the garden and everything, and I don't like to get dirty for nobody. But so, yes, and it was also relaxing being able to do it, knowing that I did that. It made me feel good. So, yeah, a lot of DIY projects.